Na yubla civic people yubla harim na mi totok lo dis la house. You know, there were civics involved in writing this constitution. And now you me some civic, you me feel awesome. We know better than them, and that's why we are going to amend it. Well, I want to submit here that I don't know more than Bernard Narakobi. He was a brilliant man. And out of respect for him, me no hablo amending this constitution. I can't bring myself to think that sabeblo me win him sabeblo Bernard Narakobi. No God. Now you blog all civic MPs lo here, please me ask him you bla. Me bla civic, me bla responsible of drafting this constitution to Papua New Guinea. We have a responsibility to protect it. We have a responsibility. And we can't change it because someone needs more time. Because he can't do it in 6 or 7 years, he needs more time. More time to do what? Deputy Speaker, vote blow people blow Isipik and no. Thank you. Yes.